What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Alphabet, Google stock, and we shall be diving straight into Google stock. And with the look of things right here, if you watched my previous video on Alphabet, I made it known to us that we are most likely going to rally a little bit higher before probably we get some kind of correction, major correction, then probably rally much higher than that. So look at this from the weekly time frame right here. You could see it clearly that Alphabet has definitely been doing very well, exceptionally well. And this is definitely something that we should see coming. We would have seen coming long time ago because, obviously the S&P 500 has been rallying massively, regardless of the fact that the whole Middle East situation has been in play and every other turmoil that must have come into play, or every other distractions, or every other economical distractions or turmoil or chaos. Alphabet has still been holding up very, very well. So you could see it clearly right here that if I should adjust this very well, this is some form of a trend line for Alphabet. So down to the 4 hours time frame right here, you could see the Alphabet has definitely been respecting this trend line for a while. You could see whenever we come in contact with this support right here or this trend line, we tend to rally. We come in contact with it around this level, we rallied. We came in contact with it, we rallied. Right here, we came in contact with it and we are rallying also. So there is every chance for us to still say that yes, there is still a lot of room for Alphabet to rally much higher, which is definitely something good to see. So right now, I would say we could still see another leg up all the way to probably $422. If we're going to be breaking above $422, fine, but we could probably still rally. We could still rally all the way into $462 or even higher. When I don't want us to get too ahead of ourselves right here, but this is an uptrend, and I think in as much as we have not broken below this uptrend, we are still very much good to go until probably we break below this uptrend, get a retest with the confirmation candle, then I can say a move to the downside will be most likely. But for now, I can't say that is going to be so, because based on the headlines right here, we could see Alphabet lifts Fanuc to record high. And based on Alphabet, which is Google, financials helped send Fanuc shares to a record high after the Japanese robotics company announced a partnership with Google to develop industrial robot system powered by physical artificial intelligence. So this is just definitely what we could see right here. Fanuc said it will integrate Google Cloud tools, including Gemini Enterprise, into robots that can understand human instruction, recognize objects, and control multiple machines on their own. The companies also will work through Google's robotics unit Intrinsics, with Fanuc planning support for Intrinsics enterprise software platform and flow state development tools. Now, the news lifted Fanuc shares as much as 15.6% in Tokyo to an all-time high of 8,880 yen. Fanuc said demand is accelerating after it shipped more than 1,000 robots with physical AI since unveiling the technology in December. For Alphabet, the deal shows how its AI tools are moving beyond software and into industrial automation. Investors will watch for updates as Fanuc demonstrates its AI agent system for industrial robots later this month. So this is just definitely this is definitely something great. And in terms of another headline right here, I can see Anthropic just delivered great news for Alphabet's investors. And according to Anthropic, recent reports from the information suggest that Anthropic, the artificial intelligence company behind Claude, has committed $200 billion over 5 years to Google Cloud for additional compute capacity and custom chips. While neither company has yet officially confirmed the exact dollar value, the story underscore the story underscores a large truth. The AI era is reshaping hyperscale infrastructure deals, and Alphabet, Nasdaq, Google, which sits at the center, will create the world first trillionaire. So the question right now, if AI will create the world's first trillionaire, our team just released a report on a little known company called, and okay, this is definitely something that honestly have nothing to do with this. So I guess this is just basically it. Anthropic has a history of working with Google Cloud. So everything at the end of the day that have to do with, most stocks rallying right now over the past 5 months has majorly been about, nothing other than what is it called, AI definitely being the center of attraction, the center to attraction to these investors. So hopefully the AI bubble doesn't burst as earlier than we expected. Hopefully everyone is going to expect the AI bubble to burst, and hopefully people will definitely take their money off whatever investment they're investing, because the moment the AI bubble explodes, things will definitely go very crazy. And without wasting much of your time, I will definitely be here to keep us up to date with what's going on in the market. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.